Hello students, here we have taken a question of mensuration. So let us solve it. We need to identify the level of water rise in a tank due to flow of water through a pipe. So the question is, a rectangular tank is 80-meter long and 25-meter broad, and water flows into it through a pipe whose cross section is 25 centimeters square, and the rate of water flow is 16 km per hour. Now, how much the level of water rises in 45 minutes? When the pipe is allowed to give water into the tank for 45 minutes with the same flow, what is the level of water which is rises into the tank, right? So let x equal to height of water level which is filled, which is acquired after running the tap for 45 minutes, right? So you can see a cuboid of water will be formed inside this cuboid whose length is 80 meter, breadth is 25 meter, and the height will be as acquired. That is that what is filled, that is x, which we have already assumed. So L into B into H is the volume of cuboid. So water cuboid which is formed inside the given shape of tank in the given tank is equal to L into B into H, that is 80 meter into 25 meter into X. So this is the volume of water cuboid which is formed by the flow of tap water for 45 minutes, right? Now similarly, we can find out what is the water which is filled up through the tap, through the pipe. So let us calculate what is the volume of water, right? So let us do one thing. Water volume which is coming through the tap or pipe which fills the tank is equal to the rate of water flow from tap. That is, we are knowing the values. Rate, that means what is the speed, at what rate the water is coming from the pipe which is filling the tap. That rate should be multiplied by the cross section of pipe. What is the cross section of pipe? It's given 25 centimeter square, and the time for which it is allowed to fill, that is 45 minutes, right? But try to make sure you should arrange the units accordingly. You should convert kilometer into meter, you should convert 45 minutes into hour, and you should convert centimeter into meter, right? So we will just put up the value over here, that how much water is filled up through the tap, that is rate of water flow from tap into cross section of pipe into time of filling. Just putting up the value, we get 16 kilometer per hour into 25 centimeter square, which is the cross section, into 45 minutes. This is the amount of water which is filled in. So we can equate the equation number 1 and equation number 2 to get the value of the one variable which is x over here. Okay, since we have only one variable over x, we can calculate the value of x after bringing it into the LHS left hand side, and just move the other known and constant items into the RHS. We will get up the value of x. We will calculate the value of x, right? Here you can see we are converting 16 kilometer as 16,000 meter, right? Similarly, 25 centimeter square. You can see centimeter is in a square, so two times, twice centimeter is there. So 1 centimeter will is equal to 1 by 100 meter. Similarly, centimeter square equal to 1 by 100 whole square. And 45 minute will be divided by 60, then it will be converted into hour. Now just equate as we discussed. Okay. So the value of x is calculated over here. We just do the cancellations. We will just deduct the numbers from the 25 cancel out. 80 into 200 equal to 16,000, and similarly 100 twice the 100 into 2 equal to 200, and 15 3 45, and 15 twice 30. So we are getting 3 by 2 centimeter as the value of x. So this is the height of water level which is rises when the tap flows for 45 minutes at given speed.